Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are upgrading the legendary Bob Beck Pulser circuit into a highly efficient, modern device. The Bob Beck theory claims that passing a tiny 4 Hz electrical current through the wrist bonds with blood vessels and disables or neutralizes harmful viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi in the bloodstream, preventing them from multiplying. This concept was loosely inspired by an early 1990s lab experiment at Albert Einstein College of Medicine, where researchers found that passing an electric current through a petri dish reduced the ability of a virus to replicate. However, that was in a glass dish, not in a human body. Coming back to the circuit idea, one of my blog readers, Rob, asked if we could redesign this classic circuit to run completely on a single, replaceable 18,650 lithium battery, recharge it via USB-C, and add a bulletproof constant current control system, all without using a complicated microcontroller. So I designed the following circuit as shown on your screens. Let's break down how this pure analog design works. At the left side of the diagram, we have a standard 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery input. To handle charging safely, we designed a precision constant current charging limit using a TIP122 and a 2N2222 transistor to keep input levels rock solid. To overcome high skin resistance, we need compliance voltage. A standard DC to DC boost converter steps up the 3.7-volt battery voltage to a steady plus 30-volt rail. This provides the necessary voltage internally while keeping the external battery completely safe. Instead of an old 555 timer, we use the IC4093 Quad Schmidt trigger IC running on the 3.7-volt battery rail. Gate N1 is configured as our master pulse oscillator. By using a multi-position switch, we can instantly swap different timing capacitors to select output frequencies of 4 Hz, 8 Hz, or 16 Hz. Gates N2, N3, and N4 act as high-speed logic buffers to split our frequency signal into two perfectly opposite paths to control the output driver stage. The heart of the safety upgrades is the LM317 IC. We have wired it as a true constant current generator in line with the plus 30-volt rail. By adjusting the value of resistor RY, we lock the maximum output current to a safe, in microampere or low milliampere range. Even if skin resistance drops drastically, the current will never spike. It is completely automatic and safe. Finally, to create a true biphasic AC output that alternates polarity, we built a discrete H-bridge using two BD139 NPNs and two BD140 PNPs. Notice these diagonal crossover lines. When gate N3 fires, it turns on the bottom left BD139. This forces its collector voltage to drop to ground, pulling down the base of the top right BD140 through a 2.2 kΩ resistor and turning it on. Current flows diagonally across the probes. When the clock flips, gate N4 fires instead, and the current flows completely in reverse. This gives us automatic alternating square wave pulses across the treatment probes without requiring a microprocessor. So friends, that is it. If you found this design helpful, then please press the like button, subscribe to the channel and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.